These brand new flowers just beat everything else in trials across North America. If you're planning your 2026 flower garden, don't buy plants or seeds until you see this. The brand new All-America Selections winners for 2026 recently announced, and these varieties outperformed everything else in trials across North America. Today, I'll show you which ones are truly worth growing, and which gardeners will benefit most from each one. For those who may not know, All-America Selections, often called AAS, tests new plant varieties across North America. Only the best performers earn the award based on traits like flower power, durability, ease of care, and overall garden performance. Let's take a look at this year's winners and what makes each one special. First up is Coreopsis SunGlobe. This variety thrives in full sun and is perfect for borders or containers. What makes it stand out is its incredible flower production. It produces masses of fluffy golden yellow semi-double blooms from spring through fall. It has a compact, tidy, and densely branching habit, making it ideal for gardeners who want long-lasting color without a lot of maintenance. If you want a reliable, season-long performer, this one is hard to beat. Next is Dianthus Supra Cherry Picotee F1. This is a compact, bushy plant that delivers eye-catching blooms all season long. The flowers are really unique, with dark cherry centers and soft pink edges in a fringed Picati pattern. But what really impressed the judges is its heat and drought tolerance, along with the fact that it keeps blooming without deadheading. This is a great choice if you want bold color with very little effort. Our next winner is Heliopsis Sole Giatto. This compact false sunflower grows about 20 inches tall and wide, making it perfect for containers or smaller garden spaces. It produces bright yellow blooms from late spring all the way through fall, providing continuous color for months. It also attracts pollinators and has resistance to deer and rabbits, which is a big plus for many gardeners. If you want a tough, cheerful, low-maintenance perennial, this is a great pick. Next up is Rudbeckia Claire Orange F1. This one is a real breakthrough. It's the first pollen-free Rudbeckia. It produces an abundance of bright orange flowers with a clean central eye, making it more visually appealing and less messy. It's also compact, early flowering, and highly tolerant of heat and disease, which means reliable performance, even in tough conditions. This is an excellent choice for gardeners who want bold color with improved plant health and longevity. And finally, we have Sedum Spectacular. This is a seed-grown sedum that performs like the best vegetative varieties. It forms sturdy, compact plants that don't flop, with a nice mounded shape, perfect for borders or containers. It produces soft pink flower clusters slightly earlier than other types, giving you earlier season interest. If you're looking for a tough, drought-tolerant plant with structure and late-season color, this one really delivers. When you choose AAS winners like these, you're selecting plants that have been tested and proven across a wide range of growing conditions. That means better performance, less guesswork, and more success in your garden. Give them a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.